In this video, you'll be learning how to delete partition in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. So first of all, when you bring up your File Explorer and when you try to navigate to this PC, you can see that there is a partition, another partition out of this main USB partition or main USB drive. And in order to delete this partition, all we need to do is we are going to perform a step, and that is we need to navigate to the disk management. But before that, ensure that all of the data that is being contained here in this partition that you want to delete to is being backed up, especially if those data are important. Okay. And as well as in the main partition, you need to back it up also. Okay. So once you have ensured everything are backed up, navigate to the start icon, make a right click, scroll up, and click on the disk management. So here at the disk management, this is where the window where you get to see all of the disk partition, the hard disk, the USB flash drive that you have plugged in or that are present in the Windows PC or laptop. And in order to delete the partition, all you need to do is you need to select the partition that you want to delete with. Ensure that you have selected the correct one by identifying the drive letter. Okay, and once you have ensured that that is the one that you want to delete for, make a right click here and go with this option called delete volume. Okay. So the reason why I've said that you need to back up because the moment you click on yes, all of the data that you have will be erased. Okay. So please click on yes the moment you have ensured that everything are backed up, and it will mark here unallocated. And in order to extend this partition, or in order to combine these two partition, you need to make a right click here and go with extend volume. However, if extend volume is being grayed out, then we have no reason but to delete volume as well. That's why I'm saying earlier that you need to back up the main partition or the main drive as well. All the data that you have here, you need to back it up because we need to delete it because this extend volume has been grayed out. So go with delete volume and click on yes. In a few seconds, it would be combined here, but it remained there unallocated. So it's very important to make a right click and create a new simple volume to activate it once again. So from here, okay, click on it and go with next, and go with next, and click on this down arrow key and assign a following drive letter. Once you have assigned it, click on next, click on this down arrow key and use some of this too. Okay. Once you're done, click on next, click on finished, and in a while it would be activated or a new simple volume would be created again here in our PC or laptop. Now, if a new window would show up, that would mean that we have successfully combined it as well as delete the partition that we want to remove here in our PC or laptop. As you can see, there are only two partition, okay? And earlier we have three and now two. We have successfully deleted it. So close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.